Okay, welcome everybody. Today we're going to intro on just safety gear and setting up for your dissections. So notice that I'm wearing all my safety gear. I've got my goggles or glasses, gloves, and coat, or I'm wearing a lab coat. You guys can wear a shirt that covers down to your wrists and up around your neck. Let's start by showing you guys how to make your trays. So these trays come flat. If you fold in all the ends like this, and then take some paper clips. You can use paper clips, maybe bobby pins will work, or binder clips, whatever you've got lying around the house. And fold these corners out. You can then stick these paper clips on all four corners to make yourself a proper tray. Okay. Now, before we even start to get talking about dissection, let's define a few terms. So when we say dissection, dissect actually means to separate. It doesn't mean to cut. So don't get all cut happy right away with your knives and your scissors. Remember that it just means to separate. You're going to be spending a lot of time just teasing connective tissue off the muscles. When we say the word bisect, that does mean to cut. And that means, for example, if you've completely dissected a muscle, you may bisect it right in the middle. It means to cut it in half. So you would cut a muscle in half to pull it back so you could see the muscles underneath it. And then if you say transect a muscle, that means to cut it at one of its ends. So if you cut it at its distal end, or it's transected at its distal end, or it's at its proximal end, that's what you might need to do to a muscle in order to see its muscles underneath.